Hello, Planet Kato, and the reason for this video cast is the same reason why I haven't really been getting involved that much over the last few months in the way I'd like to have done with mentoring, and that is I'm recovering from tendonitis in the wrist and I need to keep the amount of typing down. Yes, first thing to say is, actually, I'm going to be at the Apache Retreating IBM Hersley. If anybody's around in the UK, any committers and stuff, it'd be great to meet face to face. It's always good, and given I can't do much typing, it's an opportunity to try and discuss stuff which will be more difficult for me to discuss on lists. So maybe I'll see some people there. I hope so. I really recommend any committers out there. It's still time. You can still sign up. You can still go. Yeah, I hope to see you all there. It'd be great. Yes, if you've never been to one of these things, it's going to be really cool. Anyway, I looked at your report, Stuart, and yes, it's fine. I was a little sad to see that actually Kato's having to have a pause at the moment, but there's actually some positives to be taken out of it, I think. It's open source projects are strange. They have a strange sort of lifestyle, and you can't really tell sometimes whether it's a good or a bad thing to have a little breath or hiatus. What's really important is to keep plugging away, even if it's a small number of hours each week, and to think carefully about how you can maximise that amount of time. I mean, I've made that problem in the past, actually. I've made that mistake myself several times, is actually dropping a project cold when I might have just been able to do a little bit of work to keep it going. And a lot of the other times, actually, people have come in and they got really excited later when really I've left in the project in no condition to really make it easy to pick up. So what I'd say is have a look at it, see what you can do, even if it's a few hours each week, to try and just improve it, make it easier if it starts up again, to start up quickly. So that might mean actually doing a bit of documentation, stepping back a lick, having a little bit of thought about what the direction is, where's it going, what's it doing, what's it all about, and stuff like that. Tidying up loose ends, maybe finish off on the bugs. If there's any bugs in Jira, just go in there and just do one or two a week and chip away, because I think it makes a big psychological barrier, and it's a big barrier for people coming in if there isn't some activity there. Mind having said that, open source projects, sometimes it happens that actually, for whatever reason, even if it's nothing to do with the code or the people or the community, it just doesn't get the buzz. And at the moment, I think that's the best thing to do, is just enter into tick over mode. We won't try and get publicity because, of course, the problem being is everything's really uncertain at the moment, actually. Anyway, I'm going to sign off now. I'm going to say again, IBM Hersley, Apache Retreat. Hopefully I'll see some people there. Anyway, goodbye for now.